Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be cooking some delicious salmon with topped with some creamy garlic spinach. I'm sorry, not spinach, creamy garlic shrimp. So it's going to be topped with some creamy garlic shrimp. So let's get started. It's going to be blackened salmon and blackened shrimp. So let's get started. Right now I have the salmon that I've just got the center cut part of it. Now we're gonna season it. And the seasoning we're going to use, this mix of blackened seasoning, is we're gonna use a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of garlic salt, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of thyme. So that's our ingredients, and we're also gonna be using some minced garlic. So we're gonna put all this on top of our smoked salmon. Mix it together first. Then we're going to put it on top of our smoked salmon and just rub it. This is going to be our rub mixture. Now, if you want yours hotter, you can, or spicier, I should say, you can add more cayenne pepper to it. It's up to you. Or you can buy the blackened season already pre-made. This is the blackened seasoning already pre-made by Zatarain's. You can buy that as well, which I'm going to be adding a little bit of that to it as well. Okay, so we're going to add our pre-made blackened seasoning just to give it that extra spice that we want. All right, now we're going to be adding our garlic. Garlic, oh, this garlic smells so good. You guys just don't know how great it smells. So we're not adding all of our garlic because we're going to save some for the shrimp. All right, it's ready for the skillet. Okay, now that our butter is melted, we're going to be adding our salmon. Okay, so take the salmon and I'm just going to put it skin side down in the skillet. I'm going to turn it up a little bit on medium-high heat. And we're going to cook this salmon. Okay, we're ready to flip this salmon over. We cooked it about 3 minutes on that one side. Now we're going to flip it. I don't want it to break up, so I'm trying to flip it the right way without it breaking up. Now we're going to cook it on this side for about maybe 10 minutes. Not that long, sorry, maybe like 8 minutes. This garlic is already cooking really fast, so I'm going to try to just put it on top. Which will end up being the bottom. I'm going to slow this cooking process down. I'm turning my stove down a little bit. It doesn't take salmon long to cook, but we do want it to have a good crispy crust on it. I'm going to take a peek. Let's get in there. It's not there yet. Okay, let's take a look at our salmon and see how it's looking. I'm going to flip it back over. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. Nice crust on there. I'm going to turn this off. We're going to transfer this to our baking dish. All right. Now, the next thing we're going to cook is our shrimp. So let's get started with that. Okay, I put some more butter in here. Now we're going to cook our shrimp. We're going to blacken our shrimp. might have to turn this oven thing on so the smoke won't get too bad. Because a lot of times when you're blackening food, it starts to smoke a little bit, and I don't want my smoke detectors going off. We're going to cook it on one side, then we're going to flip it over and cook it on the other side. I left the tails on because, you know, that makes it pretty. But we're gonna check it out after I flip it over. Okay, as you can see, we have a nice char on our shrimp. That butter helps it to char along with the seasoning, the blackened seasoning. It smells so good, Lord of mercy. If you had smell a video, you would be smelling this food. It smells delicious. Okay, the shrimp are done. Now we're going to push these off to the side. And we're going to cook our sauce. But first, I'm going to add some mini shrimp to the sauce. We're going to melt our butter, and we're going to add some mini shrimp. We're going to mix that in with the sauce, that creamy garlicky sauce. And it's going to be so delicious. Okay, now we're ready to cook our sauce. I'm going to put in this garlic. I'm going to add the rest of the blackened seasoning mix. I'm going to add in some chicken stock, 1 cup chicken stock. I'm going to add 1/2 cup first. And then we're going to add some heavy whipping cream. And that's going to be so good. And we're going to stir this all together. Now I'm going to add my mini shrimp, salad shrimp. It's the salad shrimp that I'm going to add here. Just going to add a little extra. If I had crawfish tails, I would use those, but I don't have any right now, so I'm using my mini salad shrimp to add to the sauce. And that's going to be it. We're going to let that cook down for a little while. Okay, I think I'm going to add a few mushrooms to this recipe. I should have put the mushrooms in when I had the butter and the garlic in there, but that's okay. I'm just going to add a few mushrooms in there just to give it a little extra texture. I mean, you can always, you know, change your recipes up however you like. I like to change things up. I like to be creative in the kitchen. And so this is what I'm doing. I'm adding a few mushrooms. Okay, I'm going to stir that up and let that cook. Let it start boiling, and then it'll be ready when it's thickened. When it's thickened up, I also added like a couple of tablespoons of cornstarch just to get it to thicken up a little bit better. And this is going to be so delicious. We're going to add in our shrimp right now. We're going to add in all but maybe 4 or 5 shrimp just to garnish with. This looks so delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Okay, the rest of those shrimp I'm going to save for garnish. All right, so now I'm just going to stir this together. That looks and smells so good, y'all. Okay, we're going to let this cook down, like I said, until it gets a little bit thicker. We'll be back. Okay, guys, I added some of this seasoning to this, not seasoning, some of this creamy garlic butter sauce to my salmon with the mushrooms, and it looks so good, and it tastes even better. I've got some sauce left over, but look at this. Look how delicious that looks. This is blackened salmon with the creamy garlic butter sauce and blackened shrimp. Yummy. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, bon appetit. You may eat.